Morning, everybody. Randy with Lowbuck LS here. It is, what day is it? April 7th, Saturday. It's a cold Saturday morning up here in Alberta, Canada. It was minus 14 this morning, so still cold, but it's going to be a busy weekend for me. I don't know if you can see that cardboard box in the back of my truck there. My turbo is finally here, so got the truck loaded up. We're going to head into the shop today and have a busy day of I don't know if I probably won't actually get to the point of installing the turbo. There's still a couple pieces I'm missing, like a couple of V-bands for the crossover pipe and stuff, but should be able to, now that I've actually got the turbo, should be able to get it into the engine compartment, get the manifold mounted, and do some test fitting, and may have to modify my manifold a little bit, but we'll get it in there and see how it fits. And yeah, so I'm going to head into the shop, and when I get there, we will do an unboxing of that turbo, and I've got a couple other goodies that came in the mail too, so we'll talk to you in a bit. Hey everybody, Randy here again. So I am pretty excited. I've been waiting over a month for this box right here. It is my turbo from BS Racing. I ordered it on March 6th, and it is April 7th today. A cold April 7th. You can still see the snow in the back of my truck from it was sitting out. Well, it's always sitting outside. But, yeah, it's a cold April, but yeah, let's tear into the box here. I'm anxious to see what this thing looks like. So it looks like we got an oil drain and a T4 flange gasket. I'll move that over here. I'm still getting used to filming stuff and talking to the camera, so I'm not all that aware of whether I'm putting stuff where it can be seen or not. Let's dig out the rest of this thing. So there it is, 78, 75. It's the cast version, not the billet version. And in this box over here should be a 44 millimeter wastegate. Oh, it's the old box in a box trick. Bit of snow falling off my truck there. So there is the BS Racing 44 millimeter wastegate. And it's got the V-band clamps for the inlet and outlet, and some different springs, so it'll open and close at different levels of boost. And then I've got one other goodie that I picked up yesterday. I just bought this locally, but it is AEM wideband 02 AFR gauge. And then I got a 3-bar map sensor and the connector to go with it. So I just about have everything I need to start bolting this turbo on my truck. I'm just waiting on, I don't have anything for the oil feed and return lines, and I'm waiting on, I've ordered up a couple of 2.5 inch V-band clamps for the crossover pipe, and then I'll just buy some 2.5 inch pipe locally. So I need oil feed and return lines and that crossover pipe. And other than that, I've got everything I need to bolt this turbo on the truck. So yeah, good day. I'll have lots to keep me busy now that I've got this stuff here. So I'm going to pause it for now, and we'll pick up a little later on.